everybody, Bearded Griller. It's been a while, thinking it's time we revisit some sous vide burgers. You guys really seem to like that Juicy Lucy video I did. Thanks for watching. I went through the comments on some of that. You wanted to see some close-ups, some other stuff, and I was thinking, hey, green chili cheddar bacon burger sounds pretty good to me. So I've got about 3 or 4 strips of smoked bacon I did out on the smoker, peppered bacon. I got about half a cup of chopped hot chilies, green chilies, and about a half a cup of white onion. So we'll go over the stove top. We're going to cook all this down, make a nice compound, delicious center. About half a cup chopped white onion. About half a cup chopped green chilies. I'm going to drop that heat to low and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 6-7 minutes getting the color I want on the chilies and the onions. Let's go ahead and sprinkle in our bacon. Give that a few minutes to cook down. And we'll stuff us some burgers. Alright, got our veggies nice and cooked up, ready to go in the center of this beast. Gonna hit this with some of our cowgirl rub. A little savory, a little spicy. A little brand new, obviously. I haven't even taken the seal off of it. Just a little bit of that on the inside. Today for the cheese, we're going to be using Sargento's Blends 4 Cheese Southwest. It's a mixture of Monterey Jack, Chipotle Cheddar, Colby, and Pepper Jack. I thought that'd go great in our pepper theme we're dealing with today. These look kind of thin. I think we're going to do 3 or 4 pieces of cheese in here. Pinch those corners. Get a round shape out of it. Want to keep at least a good 1/2 inch around the edge all the way, maybe even a little more. That way we can seal our meat. Yeah, let's start with 2 down there. Get a nice spoonful of our stuff. And I am going to vacuum seal these just to help preserve the shape. I think you could probably get away with not, but I don't know. I like that better. Let's try just a little bit more filling. Hopefully we don't have any blowouts. Woo! Those green chilies got some heat. A couple more pieces of cheese on top. Let's get this thing sealed up. Got 4 pieces of cheese. Some pretty stellar looking filling in there. Get our edges nice and clean. Bring that down on top. Try not to push down the center right away so we don't push everything out. These are going to be massive burgers. Bring that guy down around. And start crimping the edges. Working pretty much just the sides, trying to get the sides sealed. I'm not pushing down in the center yet because I don't want that to push out the sides of my burger. That is a massive 1/2 pound burger filled with nothing but deliciousness. You don't want to watch for these. If you turn it, look at the size of that thing. Oh man, that's going to be so good. Alright. Let's get him in his new home. Actually, let's season him and then we'll throw him in his new home. Hit that a little bit more seasoning for the outside. In you go, little buddy. I'm going to get this guy vacuum packed, throw him in the pool, 135 degrees for 2 hours. I'll see you then. Alright, it's been 2 hours. Got this giant meat patty out of the sous vide. Got a pan with a little oil heated up. Do about a minute on each side. See what this thing tastes like. Been right at a minute. Let's flip this bad boy. Oh yeah. Oh, got just a little bit of cheese poking out there. Give this another minute on that side. Build us a burger. Our 2 minutes in the frying pan are done. Came close to a little blowout as you can see, but it'll work just fine. Got a bun toasted up. Let's throw down a little bit of ketchup. This thing is just a giant beast. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this thing. Throw down a big old tomato. A couple leaves of some nice fresh iceberg lettuce. Hit that top with a little mustard. Now let's get ready for the moment of truth. Let's slice into this beast. Ready? Oh yeah. You see that? That looks amazing. Let's get in here. Bacon, green chili, tons of cheese, nice pink on that meat. This is gonna be good. Mmm. The only thing this burger needs is a bib. That is freaking delicious. See you next time. Bearded Griller.